When you are working in a multi-language environment, and you have to switch between different languages, even inside of one presentation, this can become really tedious, because when it comes to spell check, um, it's really hard to define when to use which language. For this, you can use the set proofing language functionality. So for example, we have here one slide which is currently in English, and when we then run the spell check, I get the information, okay, this is not German, so you can see that German was the preset language for this slide. So what you would normally do would be select everything, go to language, go to set language for spell check, then say English, say standard, because you want to have it to be the standard for the whole presentation. You say yes, and then you go on OK, and when you then run spell check again, oopsie, because spell check or this language presetting doesn't work properly, especially for example inside of cells or inside of tables. So this preset isn't applied to all the objects inside of your presentation. And this is where the set proofing language can support you, because there you can say, when we just jump back, so now we should be in German again. I think this should be fine. And say set proofing language. They can pick any language which is available in PowerPoint. Let's say English. Which English do we pick? English US. And then we say to all slides, say select language. And if you then run your spell check, you can see that it doesn't tell you that inside of your table you need to do any spell checking. So the preset was also applied to your table content. And this is really the fastest way to switch your presettings. If you then have, for example, one slide which is German, just to give you an example here, and you want this to be then German, just go to here, go German, selected slides, and again you should be good to go, because as you can see here, spell check directly jumps to the master, and it didn't find any spell check failure in your presentation. So it understands this is an English slide, this is a German slide, even inside of your table. So this is how the set proofing language functionality works.